Oh, and welcome back to my stream. To be honest, I'm not entirely sure what I'm going to be doing today. Haven't really thought that far ahead. I'm pretty sure I got this chest working. Um, oh, here's an idea. Ooh, this UV mapping is a little bleh, but yeah, let's add some collision to this little brick thing. We double check to see if the stream is on. Looks like it. All right. So, just gonna quickly make sure that this is actually working. I think there was a little issue with this but I forget what it was. Just gonna quickly. Oh yeah, I wanted like the state of the chest to reflect whether it's already been opened. So see, this chest has already been opened, so I'm pressing space to open it, but it cancels out right away. Ooh, ooh, that is not good. Yeah, there's clearly some more work that needs to be done. If opened. Oh, no, wrong one. Open the chest. So it's displayed as opened. And then let's grab the interactable and well, let's just delete it. Just gonna double check interactable. Yeah, I think that should be good. All right, let's quickly test that out, see if it works the way I want. Sorry if I'm not explaining what's going on. There we go. And I cannot interact with it, which is good. Also, a minor issue with the chest right now. There's no collision. Let's just quickly add that in. There we go. Now there's collision. I might have to adjust the collision a little bit because I think the player might like step on top of it. Yeah, it's not something that I want. Yeah, instead of that, we have to make it a sphere. Actually, no. Yeah, a sphere might work. No, a sphere might be the wrong shape, actually. I mean, it'll technically work, but start with the cube and then increase the size. Okay. That should be good. Now I'm just going to open the save data for this game. I want to make this false, indicating that it hasn't been looted yet. See if it shows up as unlooted. Okay. All right, looks good. It seems to mostly work, but it's a minor problem. Looks like there's a bit of delay I don't quite want. I think it's open chest time. It's by 2 seconds. It's basically the pause that is there before the get item fanfare plays. Uh-oh. Minor problem. The first animation continues playing after the other animation starts playing, so I guess I think there's a setting that I should be able to turn on in the like for the animation that'll fix that. Okay, where's the player? An organizer or something at some point. think this is it. I think it's sync. It doesn't really explain. It's not really explained what sync does, but it seems like sync allows the animations that aren't displayed to continue like progressing, whereas if you have it turned off, it like pauses them. So I think that should fix the issue that I'm having. So it seems like the first animation is paused and then resumes as soon as the other one begins. Let's see if my theory is correct. Nope, my theory is wrong. Huh. Ugh. Okay. I think this is redundant because I disabled the I deleted the interactor node altogether. So yeah, I don't need that anymore. Chest. I have an idea. Let's try that. Hope that works. In theory, it should. It does. Okay. So that problem is solved. I think I said I was going to fix this during the last stream. And, well, I did. I mean, last stream I said I would fix it in the next stream, which is this one. So, yeah, I did. Pretty good. So, on to the next problem. I think I want to rework this puzzle a little bit. I want to get rid of this switch. Don't need it. Instead, I want this gate to open as soon as this guy is like satisfied that you have a weapon. Okay. Make sure this is true. Let's move the spawn point to a better spot for testing. Oh, I should give the guy a weapon. You know, just a like a prop or something like that. It doesn't actually do anything. Okay, I should change. So I'm just making sure that I didn't crash. That's all pretty much. But so next thing, I'm gonna change this dialogue. So in the original dialogue idea, this guy would say, "Just hit the switch with your weapon to open the door." But I kind of don't want to introduce the idea of like hittable or switches that reacts to the weapon right away or right now. I want to do that later. So instead, I want him to. I'm going to change his dialogue so that he says something else. Hold on, where is his dialogue box? Where is it? Gate. Talk gate closed. Here it is. On interact greeting. See, you had a weapon. Very well. You are a grown man, so I can't tell you if you can or can't leave. But be careful out there. It can be dangerous. Activate target on. Finish. Where's the open gate function? Can't find it. Interact. Well, maybe I shouldn't have deleted the switch. I think the functionality for that might have been attached to it. Excuse me. Okay, sorry for being too quiet for such a long time, but what I'm doing is I'm extending the functionality of a script that I wrote a long time ago. So what I've been doing is I've been like stringing multiple nodes together, and I'm realizing that's kind of probably not the best idea. So I'm making it so that these animations for objects can be activated, like either through like a signal or some other script thing. It's like pretty much all these scripts that have act underscore in the beginning have an activate function in them that, well, when it runs, it does the functionality that the node is intended to do. But I'm trying to extend that so that I can make it so that it runs right away as soon as the steam begins. And I'm going to make it so that it can also check if a value in the save data has been activated. So the idea is that the player loads the save game and goes back to this area. The gate should be open, or the animation that controls the gate should be in the open state. Because there's an animation for closed, open, and opened, which is like same thing as open, except for it doesn't transition to open and the sound effect doesn't play. So this do open gate should activate the open when the guard says to open the gate, and this do open gate on load will activate the opened animation, and I'll make it so that it triggers itself on ready if the condition is met. And that condition is going to be reliant on the save data. And I still have yet to write that in, but I will. The idea is that, yeah, if a flag in the save data is activated, activate on ready. Activate it. Activate if player has. Problem is that save data has. Well, I actually put some effort into organizing the way that save data is structured. So there's like this currency amount, max currency, bunch of one-off stuff, and then there's a miscellaneous thing where I can basically input a key and get the value, and then there's quest list, which I'm probably not going to use. I'm probably just gonna remove that. I might keep it in, or I might get rid of it. Actually, I might be able to use this. Then there's also inventory stuff, like has a certain item, and then depending on the type of item, that could be either an integer or a boolean. I think that for the equipment, it's all booleans, and for the inventory stuff, it's all integers. In hindsight, I probably should have split these off into separate sections, but yeah, I didn't do that. Well, here's an idea. I'll use quests stuff for that. I just need to remember how the quest system works. Because I made one like a while back and I never used it. You know what? Maybe I should use the quest system that I made. If not in the, like, even if I decide not to show it in the foreground, it'll help me keep track of. It'll help the game keep track of, like, progress more easily. Discover quest. System dot. Oh, I feel like I might not actually need this node system. Okay. Ethiopian from the neighboring village of in the Sayanor village has come. He looks very upset and is saying that his people need my help. I don't judging from the look on his face, it seems to be quite serious. I should go help him if I can. But I will need to get past the gate first. In the gate. I should call this quest. How about the I've been thinking, who exactly should this character be? I'm thinking maybe this guy is the main character's dad? Kind of playing with that idea. Father says I cannot leave the expeditionary settlement without a weapon. What a pain. Doesn't he know that I'm not a kid anymore? maybe he will investigate if I find some sort of weapon. Oh, it's so long ago that I originally wrote this that it's still using spaces instead of tabs. So at some point, I decided to start using tabs instead of spacing for like, I mean, spaces for spacing. So adding an extra check to this. Okay. Oh, the start over quest. Oh, what's going on? Oh, right. Well, actually, here's a better idea. Talking to this dude will activate, or should activate, the quest line for following this guy. And then talking to this guy should activate the quest for getting this gate open. Having the weapon is a condition for opening the gate, and then either the gate being open is the condition required for this, or I'll have it solved later at some point after you follow him. Forgot I can make nested quests. Follow me. In order to help this Corinthian, we'll need to get past this gate. But my father is guarding the gate. The gate is closed. It is currently guarded by my father. A member of the defunct Super Soldier Initiative. Maybe he will open the gate if I talk to him. Well, getting pretty close to finishing time. I think going to end a few minutes early, but yeah, I think I have an idea of how to progress further. So this area is still pretty bare bones, but I got most of the. Yeah, I've got a there's a road to there's a road to progress that is pretty clear to me right now, and I think I'll continue tomorrow, hopefully. But yeah, have a nice day.